Hi viewers, welcome to Taj Foods. Today we're making mini chocolate cupcakes, Taj Food style. So without further ado, let's begin. If you like our videos, click the red subscribe button. Next to it, click the bell icon and you'd get notifications for our recipes for free. Don't forget to like, share and comment. First of all, we'll start off with sifting the dry ingredients. So we'll add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. To that, add 1/3 cup of cocoa powder. You can also add hot chocolate powder. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Now sift all the ingredients together. Okay, let's move on to our wet ingredients. So in a separate bowl, add 7 tablespoons of butter. To the butter, add 3/4 cups of sugar. Now whisk it properly until the butter is soft and fluffy. Followed by that, add 1 egg. Now incorporate the egg into the butter properly. Add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla essence. After that, add 1/2 cup of milk. Now whisk all the wet ingredients properly. Now what you have to do is gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and mix properly. We need to ensure that there's no lumps within the mixture. As you can see here, our mixture is nice and smooth. That's how we want it to be.
I'm hungry.
Now use a cupcake tray and grease the holders properly to make sure our cupcakes don't stick. Now add some batter to each cupcake holder evenly. Then add the cupcakes into a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. Here we are after 20 minutes, our cupcakes are ready. They're looking so delicious. Now it's time to decorate them. So I'm putting chocolate icing on top of it. If you'd like to know how to make chocolate icing, it's very easy. Comment down below and I'll definitely make it. I'm also decorating my cupcakes with some chocolate sprinkles.
I'm hungry.
Our cupcakes are ready. Enjoy. They're looking so tasty. Can't wait to dig in.
I'm hungry.